Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and you are watching a very cute drawing for Mother's Day. You can use this drawing for making cards as well. I am going to use poster colors for this drawing and I have already mentioned all the material details that I have used in this drawing. So enjoy the outline part or you can directly jump to the color part if you want. I have already added chapters for this. You can find them in the description box below. So let's start applying colors to make it more attractive. I am using 12 shades poster colors for this. Taking chrome yellow, vermilion hue and little bit white and mixing them well. Then adding little bit poster red and mix it again. So this is what the skin color for mother and applying it. Adding little bit white with the existing color and applying to the daughter. Now burnt sienna and Prussian blue for hair and applying it. Mixing little bit yellow ochre for daughter's hair. Vermilion hue for dress of daughter. Mixing little poster red with the leftover skin color to make a pinkish tone for the mother dress. Oh, I have spilled some poster red on my artwork. Don't worry, I will fix it and it will be good tips for you how to fix it if such mishaps happen. Just fade out these spots with a dampened brush only. Now mixing light green, cobalt blue and white. Adding more light green to make a nice faded shade for background. Adding little bit of chrome yellow, light green and white to the leftover color to make another greenish shade. Cobalt blue and white for the last part of background. Adding more white and blend well to make this transition effect for the background. Making the previous greenish shades and blend well the background. Now light green for the leaf-like elements and will add details with the deep green color. Poster red for the cute hearts. Chrome yellow for flowers. Adding little chrome yellow to the existing skin color to make a peach-like shade and applying it for more elements. White for highlighting on flowers. Dark green for details. Adding little bit burnt sienna or brown to the leftover pinkish shade which I made for mom's dress for the shadow effect. adding little bit brown with the skin color for both to create darker part on the face. Vermilion hue on little hearts for highlighting. Burnt sienna and Prussian blue for eyes and eyebrows for both, and poster red for lips. Now using black, yellow ochre for details on hair for both. And it's done. You can write Happy Mother's Day like this and gift as a card to your mom. I hope you have enjoyed and will definitely make this. Please give your feedback in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy drawing!